Welcome to JH. Have you heard about Vipstick Serum? It claims to nourish and protect your intimate areas while boosting sensitivity for more pleasure, because apparently, standard pleasure just isn't cutting it anymore. It's a gentle daily care serum that is blissfully free from harsh chemicals, parabens, and hormones. It is essentially a green smoothie for your nether regions, minus the kale and the judgmental looks from your barista. But you are probably wondering if this is actually legit or just another internet gimmick. Interestingly, the product is available on Amazon and currently ranks as the #2 sexual enhancer because nothing screams romance like a data-driven purchase from a giant warehouse. Customers seem to love its moisturizing properties, with many reviews noting that it effectively tackles dryness and provides a smooth, hydrating glide. Apparently, a well-watered garden is the secret to true inner confidence and peace. When it comes to quality, people consistently praise the serum for being thoughtfully designed by women for women. Reviews suggest it works exactly as promised by moisturizing, plumping, and delivering real results. Then there is the fun part, a gentle warming sensation that kicks in quickly to enhance the mood. It is like a cozy fireplace for your pants, though a few users found the heat a bit more four-alarm fire than romantic glow. Of course, not everyone has the same experience. While some rave about how it awakens sensations better than any other product, others felt it didn't do much of anything. It turns out our bodies aren't all programmed the same way. Shocking, I know. Overall, Vipstick Serum appears to be a high-quality and reliable option for daily intimate care. Just remember that everyone's results will vary. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more updates.